Imagine a buyer skipping the open house, tapping through a photoreal 3D tour on their phone, and falling in love with a property before the agent even schedules a viewing. Imagine realtors paying you a monthly fee because your tours increase listing views, shorten days on market, and make properties sell for more. That's the world of AI-driven virtual real estate tours, a system that takes scanning plus AI enhancements plus distribution and turns it into recurring revenue. In this video, we'll show you how to build a virtual tour business that real estate pros want on retainer, how to generate stunning tours fast, package them as a subscription product for agents, and scale with referral partnerships and white label deals. This isn't a hobby, it's a modern service business that earns while you sleep. Why 3D tours sell and how AI supercharges them. Real estate buyers crave immersion. A sequence of photos tells a story. A 3D tour puts them inside the story. Tours reduce uncertainty, screen out low-intent buyers, and raise engagement. Now add AI, and the result is high-quality tours produced at scale. Auto-stitching replaces manual editing. AI aligns images, fixes perspective, and removes stitching errors automatically. Scene enhancement boosts lighting, color, and texture while preserving realism. The kind of consistent polish that attracts buyers' attention. Semantic labeling identifies rooms automatically. Kitchen, master bedroom, making navigation intuitive for viewers and for Google to index. Virtual staging places furniture and decor dynamically, enabling the same empty room to appeal to multiple buyer personas, capture hardware, and fast workflows. Start simple but right. Your toolkit should include a reliable 360-degree camera, affordable models to prosumer rigs. These let you scan rooms quickly with one device. A stabilized wide-angle camera or phone with a scanning rig for higher-end scans, or when vendors request higher fidelity. A laptop or cloud upload workflow that moves raw, captures into your processing pipeline within minutes. AI processing. From raw scans to buyer-ready tours, AI processing is where margins live. Manual editing kills margin. Automation creates it. Auto-clean and color grade. Let AI auto-balance exposure, remove minor artifacts, and normalize color across rooms so the tour feels cohesive. Perspective correction and fill. Use in-painting models to correct lens distortions and fill in small blind spots. Semantic room detection. AI tags each scene, kitchen, bathroom. So your viewer I can create navigation hotspots automatically. Virtual staging engine. Offer staging presets, Scandi, Modern Family, Lux, that are applied to empty room captures. This is an upsell. Staged tours convert better and command higher fees. Narrative layer. Generate short scripted tour narrations and automated captions. Handy for social previews and voiceover walkthroughs. Hosting and distribution. Where tours make money. A tour only pays if viewers see it in high-value contexts. Hosted tour portals. Deliver embeddable tours that agents can place on listings, websites, or MLS pages. Your portal should offer analytics, views, dwell time, and hotspot clicks. Those metrics are the ROI proof you sell to agents. MLS integration. Many local MLS platforms accept embedded tours. When a listing has your tour, the agent gets more clicks. Make that fact part of your pitch. Social sampling. Produce 15 to 30 seconds vertical tour reels automatically from the 3D footage and use them to drive paid ads or organic engagement for the listing. Productization. Packages that realtors will buy. Realtors don't buy tech for the joy of tech. They buy outcomes. More showings, faster sales, higher prices. Price and package accordingly. Offer 3 core packages. Single tour package. One-time capture, plus edit, plus hosted tour. Perfect for FSBOS or occasional listings. Subscription plan. Monthly. X tours per month. Plus priority scheduling, plus seasonal reshoots, plus monthly performance reports. This is your moneymaker. Agents love predictability. Premium listing suite. Tour plus virtual staging plus narrated audio plus 3D floor plan plus social reel. Pitch to top-tier listings and developers. Pricing psychology and demonstrating ROI. Sell outcomes, not time. Your sales deck should show metrics, percent increase in listing clicks, average decrease in days on market, and higher buyer quality. Provide case studies. After adding our tours, this agent's listing views increased X% and received an offer in Y days. Offer a risk reducer, a discounted trial tour or money back if views don't improve by a specific benchmark. Use data to back guarantees. Your analytics dashboard provides those numbers. Operations and scaling playbook. To scale from one camera to a regional fleet, standardize capture SOPs, exact camera positions, naming conventions, and upload steps. Centralize AI processing on cloud instances to avoid local bottlenecks. Queue jobs, batch process, and run QC watchers. Hire local capture teams, contractors, and centralize editing. Contractors focus on capture quality. Your cloud pipeline handles the rest. Offer scheduling integrations. Let agents pick windows and auto-assign local crews. The less coordination you do, the more you scale. Monetization beyond subscriptions. Extra revenue streams. Don't rely on a single product. Add higher margin services. Virtual staging. Add-on. Staged tours consistently convert better. Charge a premium. Offer staging presets for different buyer demographics. Aerial and neighborhood overlays. Add drone captures and AI-generated neighborhood data overlays. Commute times, school ratings, noise levels for premium listings. Lead capture and warm transfers. Integrate lead forms inside the tour. Capture buyer info and sell warm leads back to the agent with permission. Clauses and analytics subscriptions. Charge for advanced analytics or heat maps, showing which rooms attract the most attention. Some agents will pay for insights that guide pricing and staging decisions. Legal, privacy, and compliance. Must-have protections. You're handling property photos and sometimes personal data. Cover yourself. Model releases and property permissions. Get explicit permission to scan and publish properties. Use a standard release form on capture day. GDPR/CCPA compliance. If you collect visitor info on tours, ensure consent banners and deletion flows. Insurance and liability. Have general liability and E&O insurance. Include indemnity clauses in B2B contracts. Terms of service and hosting clauses. Clarify ownership of raw scans, usage rights for tours, and takedown procedures. KPIs that drive optimization. Focus on the metrics that predict revenue growth. Monthly recurring revenue, MRR. Subscription lifeblood. Average revenue per agent, ARPA. How much each agent spends on average. Churn rate. Keep this low with SLAS and high service quality. Tours per crew per week. Capture efficiency. Conversion lift for listings. Percentage increase in listing views and showings after tour deployment. Use these to justify price increases. AI-driven virtual tours are not a one-off gig. They are a scalable product that plugs into the economics of real estate. Higher engagement, faster sales, and better listings. If you build the capture network, automate the AI processing, and package tours as a subscription with referral channels, you've created an asset that pays month after month. If you want more, drop a comment. Smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the download. This is Moneymatic Masters. Build the systems, automate the work, and let the passive income roll in.